everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well guys, people has been giving credit to the makeup artist behind Uthando Nesthembu season 6, igama lakhe Thabile Mkhize, and her business name is Thabile's Touch on Instagram, and on Facebook she is Thabile Mkhize. Thabile is a computer technician. She studied information technology at Mangosuthu University of Technology, where she is also working currently. Thabile always had a passion like with beauty industry, so she started perfecting herself by educating herself part-time, and I must say guys, she is doing great. Muhle umsebenzi wakhe uyancomeka kakhulu. Thabile has worked with uthando nesthembu before. I think what was season 3, and she came back again this season. And guys, she has also worked with them Selukuz SABC 1, Igumbi Lamakhosikazi, worked with Real Housewife of Durban and other many celebrities and productions, including Uzalo. Uthando Nesthembu season 6 first episode left many asking the person behind ubuhle bamakhosikazi kamsele ngoba wow guys, they are so beautiful on screen and off screen guys. Yeah, some posted the following messages: whoever does makeup on a reality show or on #Uthando Nesthembu reality show knows what they are doing. Sheshim Seleku's wife looks beautiful. And ulady what I wonder who is the makeup artist, because wow, what a great job. So Wendy igama lakhe Thabile Mkhize, Thabile's Touch on Instagram, and omunye wathi umuntu obenza makeup guys deserves a bell. Yeah guys, girl is a top notch. She's a top notch, I don't want to lie. She really knows her story, and for more information you can DM her on her Instagram page, Thabile's Touch. And guys, yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and just rate her work guys. 10 she's the best, 0 if ubona ukuthi ayikha akashayi khona. Mina nje I give her hundreds. Bye.